iPhone 16 Pro Max. A comprehensive review. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple's latest flagship smartphone, and it comes packed with advanced features, a refined design, and powerful performance enhancements. In this review, we'll dive deep into every aspect of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, from its new hardware and software capabilities to its standout camera system, design improvements, and overall user experience. If you're considering whether the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the right upgrade for you, this review will provide you with all the details you need to make an informed decision. Design and build quality. The iPhone 16 Pro Max maintains Apple's sleek minimalist design philosophy, but introduces a few noticeable changes that set it apart from its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. One of the most striking updates is its slightly larger 6.9-inch OLED display, up from 6.7 inches on the previous model. This increase in size doesn't just make the screen more immersive, but also results in slightly taller, wider, and heavier dimensions, giving the phone a more substantial feel in hand. Apple continues to use a premium titanium frame, making the device lighter than most large phones despite its size. The frame not only adds to the phone's durability, but also gives it a distinct high-end look that feels great to hold. Available in 4 stunning finishes: black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and the new desert titanium, each color option adds a touch of luxury. The front and back of the device are protected by Apple's second-generation ceramic shield, which is now 50% tougher than before. This added protection makes the iPhone 16 Pro Max more resistant to drops and scratches, providing peace of mind for users who prioritize durability. The new design also features a reduction in bezels, making the device feel almost bezel-less, enhancing the already impressive screen-to-body ratio. Display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max's display is a standout feature, and Apple has made sure it lives up to its Pro Max name. The phone is equipped with a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional brightness levels. The adaptive refresh rate ranges from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsive touch input, especially during high-motion activities like gaming and video playback. With a resolution of 2868 x 1320 pixels, the display delivers crisp and detailed visuals, making everything from text to graphics look incredibly sharp. The screen also supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, which means your movies, shows, and photos will look better than ever. Whether you're watching a movie, editing photos, or just browsing the web, the visual experience on the iPhone 16 Pro Max is one of the best on any smartphone. One notable addition is the 1 nit minimum brightness, which allows the screen to dim more than ever before, making it more comfortable to use in low-light environments without straining your eyes. Combined with the always-on display feature, it provides quick access to notifications, time, and other widgets, without needing to wake the phone fully. Performance and hardware. At the heart of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the new A18 Pro chipset, Apple's most powerful processor yet. Built on a second-generation 3nm process, this chip features a 6-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 2 efficiency cores, allowing it to handle demanding tasks with ease. The upgraded GPU also has 6 cores, delivering a 20% performance boost over the A17 Pro, making gaming and graphic-intensive applications run smoother than ever. Apple has also enhanced the neural engine with 16 cores, specifically optimized for machine learning and AI-driven tasks, allowing the iPhone 16 Pro Max to perform advanced computations more efficiently. This is especially noticeable in areas like image processing, augmented reality, and voice recognition, where AI plays a crucial role. The A18 Pro also includes next-generation machine learning accelerators, which are optimized for Apple Intelligence features that are expected to roll out with future iOS updates. These accelerators will enhance user interactions with smarter Siri responses, improved predictive text, and new contextual insights within apps. Battery life has seen an improvement as well, with Apple promising up to 33 hours of video playback or 105 hours of audio playback, which amounts to about 4 hours more than the previous model. The device supports 45W wired charging, which is over 50% faster than last year, and up to 25W wireless charging via MagSafe. This faster charging capability means less downtime and more use throughout your day. Camera system. Apple's camera systems have always been a highlight of the iPhone lineup, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max takes it to another level. The device features a triple camera setup with a 48MP wide, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP telephoto lens. The ultra-wide camera has seen the most significant upgrade, now matching the resolution of the main sensor, which provides enhanced detail and clarity, especially in low light and macro modes. The new camera control button is a unique addition designed for quick access to the camera. Positioned on the side of the device, this button can be pressed and held to launch the camera app instantly, capture photos, or start recording videos. It's modeled after a DSLR shutter button, and its pressure sensitivity allows you to adjust camera settings, zoom, and switch modes effortlessly, making it a powerful tool for photography enthusiasts. The iPhone 16 Pro Max also introduces next-generation photographic styles, which let you adjust specific colors, highlights, and shadows in real time, providing a level of customization previously reserved for post-processing. You can even remove these adjustments after the fact, offering a dynamic editing experience directly on the phone. Video recording has also seen a substantial upgrade with 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, a first for any smartphone. This high frame rate allows for incredibly detailed slow-motion videos that look stunning on the iPhone's display. Apple has also introduced new spatial audio capabilities, enabling more immersive video playback when using AirPods or other compatible headphones. For content creators, the iPhone 16 Pro Max's video and audio capabilities are unmatched, providing studio-quality results without the need for additional equipment. The new audio mix feature allows you to adjust audio levels after recording, focus on dialogue, and even position vocal tracks in front, while surrounding environmental sounds for a professional sound profile. Software and iOS 18. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes preloaded with iOS 18, Apple's latest operating system, which brings a host of new features and enhancements. iOS 18 focuses heavily on AI-driven improvements, including smarter Siri interactions, better predictive text, and more contextual information, based on how you use your device. One of the standout software features is Apple's Visual Intelligence, an AI-powered tool that works with the camera control button. By pointing your camera at objects, landmarks, or even menus, Visual Intelligence can provide on-the-spot information, such as restaurant reviews, opening hours, or historical data about a landmark. This feature sets the iPhone 16 Pro Max apart from other smartphones, offering a unique way to explore your surroundings. The customizable action button, first introduced on the iPhone 15 Pro, is also present, allowing you to set up shortcuts for quick access to frequently used functions like launching the camera, recording a voice memo, or starting a specific app. This level of customization enhances the user experience by tailoring the device to your specific connectivity and ports. The iPhone 16 Pro Max includes a USB-C port for the first time, aligning with the latest EU regulations and offering faster data transfer speeds of up to 10 GB per second. This port not only enhances connectivity options, but also supports reverse charging, allowing you to use your iPhone to charge other devices like AirPods or an Apple Watch. Apple's decision to switch to USB-C also means faster charging and compatibility with a broader range of accessories, making the iPhone 16 Pro Max more versatile than previous models. The device also supports the latest Wi-Fi 6E and 5G connectivity standards, ensuring fast and reliable internet access, whether you're at home. Pricing and storage options. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is available in 3 storage options: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, catering to a range of needs from average users to professional photographers and videographers who require ample space for their content. Pricing starts at $1,199 for the 256 GB model, $1,399 for the 512 GB model, and $1,599 for the 1 TB model. While the iPhone 16 Pro Max is undeniably expensive, it is positioned as a premium device meant to deliver top-tier performance and features. Apple's pricing strategy reflects the high-end market segment it targets, and the comprehensive suite of upgrades and enhancements justifies the price for those who demand the best. Conclusion: is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth it? The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a powerhouse of a smartphone, combining cutting-edge technology with a refined design that makes it one of the best devices on the market today. From its stunning 6.9-inch OLED display and advanced camera system to the powerful A18 Pro chipset and innovative features like the camera control button and visual intelligence, Apple has delivered a truly impressive package. However, it's important to note that the iPhone 16 Pro Max is not just an incremental upgrade. The enhanced hardware and software, combined with Apple's continuous focus on user experience, make this phone a significant step forward in the iPhone lineup. For users who need a device that excels in performance, photography, videography, and overall build quality, the iPhone 16 Pro Max stands out as a clear winner. If you're already using an older iPhone model, particularly anything older than the iPhone 12 or 13 Pro models, the jump to the iPhone 16 Pro Max will feel transformative. It offers a combination of performance, features, and a design that simply can't be ignored. However, if you're currently using the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the decision to upgrade might depend on whether the new camera control button, larger display, and enhanced AI features are worth the investment. Ultimately, the iPhone 16 Pro Max represents the best that Apple has to offer. It's more than just a phone, it's a statement of technological prowess, delivering a blend of innovation, power, and style that continues to set the benchmark in the smartphone industry. If you're looking for a device that will keep you ahead of the curve for years to come, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is certainly worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments what feature of the iPhone 16 Pro Max excites you the most. Click the link in the bio to buy our latest products.